This is Springfield, Oregon, my friends. Springfield, Oregon. Code of conduct, everybody. Code of conduct. Code of conductivity. Everybody, I'm standing on the rest area right now. Nobody watching me. So I'm like, I'm gonna make a video for my friends, my dad and Michael. So, I'm enjoying myself. So, and this is a really cool place. Check it out. Just take a look at the color. Man, ain't this a real rest area? It's in Oregon. And those trees over there, man, the smell. I wish you were here, basically. So, and check this out. So, I left my car over there. It's my car. So, I left the keys in there, the wallet with about 80 bucks. No, about 60 bucks. Everything you need, including smokes and food. So I wanted to just leave it there. So if there's like a guy who's fleeing from the law or something, like he needs to go to Mexico right now, he needs to go. So I'll leave him in the car. I mean, the keys are in there, so he can just go. And he got everything for him, food for about 3 days, like from food bank, like real good stuff. And the only thing I got to take with me is pretty much my lighter. It's my lighter. Why the lighter? Because the only thing important to me is smoking. I mean, and I can find that anywhere when I bum around. Seriously, you can just, man, there's so many cigarettes people throw away. Don't smoke the cigarette all the way, please, people. When you go to the store, just put it out and leave some for the bums, man. They'll pick it up. You know, leave some for the bums. So yeah, that's the only thing I care for is just smoking. So I'm good, you know. They can, if somebody really needs my car. Oh, military. Anyway, if somebody needs my car badly to like run away, you know, fast, like right now, there it is. No problem. And that's some kind of serious stuff going on over there. Man, what's going on today, man? What is going on? Yeah, I was in a bathroom and there were soldiers in there, and I'm like, respect to the soldiers all the way, man. Respect. Seriously, like bow down, respect, like this, you know. So I mean, soldiers, and they're like giving their life and stuff, you know. Seriously, man. Anyway, yeah, have a good day. I love you all. Have a good day.